Hi, I'm Rick Schutte with Caldwell Banker Cucci Real Estate here in beautiful Oak Harbor on Whidbey Island, Washington. Today we're with Shelley Trumbull of Cascade Insurance here in Coupeville, and we're going to be discussing renter's insurance and the benefits of it. So Shelley, you've been doing this now for a number of years.
Over 20.
Over 20 years. Do most people get renter's insurance, or if not, why don't they?
Most people don't actually purchase renter's insurance unless it's required by their rental department. I think that people just assume that their landlord's policy is going to cover their contents and the damage to their property, but that is usually not the case.
That can be pretty dangerous, can't it? I mean, assuming that, because what happens if you have, let's say a break-in or something?
Absolutely, it can be. If you have a break-in, you don't have any coverage unless you have a renter's insurance policy. If you have renter's insurance, it will cover items like fire, theft, vandalism, malicious mischief, even some liability issues, where your landlord's policy isn't going to cover any of the items that are stolen that belong to you.
So the landlord's policy would cover the structure for the landlord, but it's not going to cover any of the like my stereo or my computer or any other things. Is that right?
That is correct. That is correct. You need to have coverage for your personal property, and most renters policies will give you coverage for your personal property and actually replace it with brand new if you choose replacement cost coverage.
Wow.
So you may have a TV that you bought 10 years ago that might be worth $10 at a garage sale, but they will replace it with a brand new TV of like, kind, and quality.
That's fantastic. So is renter's insurance expensive?
No, it's really not. Generally, a renter's policy, it does depend on the location of where you rent, whether you rent a home or an apartment, whether the apartment building was built in 1901 or 2012. Sure. It also has credit can be a factor with your renter's insurance. Usually, a renter's policy for about $20,000 replacement cost for your personal property, including liability, can run anywhere from $120 a year to $300 a year.
That's still not bad.
No, not at all. Usually you can purchase it for $10 to $15 a month, and then you know that you have coverage. And it also provides liability coverage, so that's really important. If you have children over that you may be babysitting or watching for a friend, then if that child gets injured on your property, then you've got some liability coverage for that if you're found liable.
Wow. Well, Shelley, thank you. We appreciate all this, and if you have any questions, we're going to have Shelley's contact information either down below in the video or it'll be part of the blog, and we look forward to serving you again. Thank you.